wonder, what should I make for my daddy for Father's Day?
I don't know!
Ding! That's a great idea. We can use the Artebula app because we've got so much arts and crafts that Daddy hasn't even seen.
Yeah, we could use this, Brody. This is my dad's favorite because it's hilarious.
Yeah, what she said. And we can use this funny Aladdin hat. Okay, I'm in the Artebula app and now I'm going to take a picture of these 4 awesome flowers.
This lighting is great for Brody. My daddy will like this airplane.
How about that one? Sure, and that one.
Yeah.
Oh, and that one.
No,
Daddy loves
that one too. That.
That one.
No, that one.
How about that?
Yeah.
Daddy will love all.
Yeah. It's here. It's here. It's here. It's here. Guys, it's here. It's here.
Look at your drawing.
Yeah. It's drawing.
Daddy's gonna love this.
Yeah.